We are highlighting a bright spot in what has been a dark time. Oregon Health Sciences University is creating community connections through COVID-19.
Elise Haas joining us live to tell us more about this public health initiative and why it's making a difference. Elise?
Jenny and Ken, what was really supposed to be a science experiment turned into more of social exploration. So the residents here in this Northeast Portland neighborhood have been coming to Prescott Elementary each and every week, even though the pilot project for free COVID-19 testing was supposed to end over a month ago. It's been so successful, they've extended it through the end of March. And the principal at Prescott Elementary says that she was more than happy to become a COVID-19 testing site because she says school is where community happens. She wanted this opportunity to better protect her neighborhood, many of whom she says are people of color and are underserved. OHSU's project turned out to be so successful, it is still helping these communities that were hit hardest by the pandemic. Originally, OHSU and a local nonprofit that helps underserved youth known as Self Enhancement Inc., or SEI, began the testing project together to find early signals of COVID-19 in 4 East Portland neighborhoods through wastewater screening and voluntary testing of people who live and work there. But what they didn't anticipate, the principal says, was the important relationships and trust in science that end up building with people along the way.
Originally, there had been a lot of concern around the virus, a lot of concern around accessibility, and a lot of question around what this virus could do, what some of the gaps in the testings were. And I think what we were able to do by offering testing was kind of to demystify that.
The principal went on to explain that this partnership created accessibility to COVID testing to people who normally couldn't get one by removing barriers and shortening the distance of driving and using a familiar setting.
If we say that community testing and we say that our villages are important, then we have to actually bring healing to where the village is. And I think this is what that partnership gave us the opportunity to do.
And she also explains that the consistency of being available here at the elementary school each and every week helped build a better culture in her neighborhood and also normalize masking, distancing, and testing, all things that we know are proven to help keep people safe and healthy. And this has been, again, so successful that they're even in the talks now of considering converting this testing site at Prescott Elementary into maybe a vaccination clinic one day down the line. So this really has come full circle. In Northeast Portland, Elise Haas, KOIN 6 News.
Thank you, Elise. A new vaccination site is opening in